Okay, that sounds like draining. And I don't hear the splashing on the floor, but there it comes. So it like filled up the drain and then overflows. So it's not all of the water. And you can hear it bubbling going down the drain. So it seems like the drain is partially clogged because it filled up the drain until you can hear blub, 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 and then this little bit overflowed. So I know it's already leaking. It's probably, I guess that's going to be the rinse cycle now. It's got 12 minutes left. I feel bad, but I'm just going to let it run its course. And then we just don't do any laundry again. Until we can pull it out and look, I guess. Maybe.